Right, welcome back. We're doing question 382. It says determine the values of theta. Determine the values for theta to be between 0 or from 0 to 90 degrees, for which the identity is not valid. So the identity is not going to be valid if the denominators here are equal to 0. So if sine 2 theta is equal to 0 or sine theta cos theta is equal to 0. Don't worry about anything else. Just concentrate on the denominators. So this identity is going to be not valid if sine 2 theta is equal to 0 or sine theta times cos theta is equal to 0. Okay, right, and then here we can find our angle. So we arc sine, so 2 theta is going to be arc sine 0. You see that? So meaning that theta, or actually 2 theta is equal to 0, meaning that theta is equal to 0. Okay, done with that side. So this is a product that is given 0. So it's either here sine theta is equal to 0 or cos theta is equal to 0, or both of them are equal to 0. Okay, so now we arc sine this one. So still it's going to give us the same thing. Theta is equal to arc sine 0, meaning that theta is equal to 0 degrees. So this is 0 degrees. Right, and then this side, say theta is arc cos 0, and then we get that theta is equal to 90 degrees. You see that? This identity is going to be, is not valid if theta is equal to 0 degrees or if theta is equal to 90 degrees. So those are the answers there. Okay, right. We're going to meet when we do question 3B1.